All right, today, so we got a pretty cool project. We're taking a 65-foot boat, weighs 76,000 pounds, and we're pulling it out of the water with a 325-ton crane. It should be pretty easy if everything goes smoothly, but that's kind of the goal, is to try to make it go as smooth as possible. It's taken a lot of organizing and logistics to get to this point, and today is kind of that payoff day to make it all happen. How's this gonna go today?
It's gonna go just fine.
Feeling pretty good.
Hopefully good.
It's all going pretty smooth, honestly. I think that getting those straps underneath it was like the biggest challenge. And
Okay, in front and behind it.
Behind it.
Hey, y'all go slow. They need to be on.
It's pretty much where you think you want it.
We think this line right here.
I'll get that bar, that big bar stretched out to about that. And you're gonna be able to tell as soon as we start tightening up whether you like it.
Yeah. The whole. I want to move the straps forward a couple feet.